In front of me is a Amazon Fire Phone, and today I will show you how to set up a portable hotspot. So to start off, you will need to actually open up the settings app. You can pull down it from the bottom, the app tray, and you will have it right here. Or you can also pull from the top in the notification panel, and you have it right here. So whichever one you choose, doesn't matter. And from here, you want to go into Wi-Fi and network, and you will see where is it? Set up Wi-Fi hotspot right here. And from here you can just enable it right here, or tap also to configure it. And you have power management to whatever time you set. Type of security, open will be basically without a password, and with the WPA2 you have a password, which you can see right here. And you can also change it to a different one that you would, let's say, like. For instance, I'm gonna change it to something like this, and it needs to be an 8-digit or any kind of 8-character long password. And once you're satisfied with your settings, you can tap save, and going back also you have the name right here, which you also can change. But if you keep it like this, whenever you're trying to connect to this network, it will basically be named Fire Hotspot 05JA. So you can tap on save and then enable it, and you can connect to it over another device. Now you need to have a SIM card in the phone that is actually working. I can't because this device is locked, so I'm just basically showing you how to customize it and turn it on. And all you will need to do now is just flip this on and it will work. So that would be how you set up the portable hotspot. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.